Ooh. First time on a bike. First day with, and she's not even 2.5 yet. Are you having fun? Yeah. You want to push? You want a little push? It'll help. Okay. I don't know how much it's getting this. There we go. You use the brakes, remember? You just push backwards. You want to see yourself on the video. Can you wave to the camera? Say, I rode a bike today for the first time.
I rode a bike for this time.
Yay!
Let me see.
Do you like riding your bicycle?
I like riding my bicycle.
Yeah, it's fun. You want to show me how you ride? Can you give it a push?